on the sidewalks and everything. You got to be careful of that and make sure, that you either, like wipe the salt off, because that can kind of burn their little paws. Right. But yes, if you were a person or a puppy or anything over this weekend, it was a cold one. Taking the dogs out to go potty over the weekend, I'm like, do you know how much I love you? Like, based on
last night, I had a blanket over my head, and I looked at Zoe from my porch, and I said, go on.
Yes.
Get it done.
I'll be right here. Exactly.
I'll wait right here for you, because the cold temperatures are, here to stay. So I'm not heading out the door to do anything other than probably come to work and go back home and get under my heated blanket. Today we have a cold weather advisory out there. Again, that's going to end in about 30 minutes here. That's when our first alert weather day will end. We have negative wind chill values out there. If we take a look outside, looks like our Newport camera is down for the second here, but you can see off Cincinnati, 7 degrees. Feeling more like -6 though, so definitely you can feel that wind chill out there, making it feel even colder. Most people are in the single digits out there, but you can see a couple places starting to get into the double digits, which is good news. We're starting to warm up here early this morning, but the wind chill values are still in those negative degrees as we move forward. Connorsville -6, Harrison -1, -8 in Wilmington. Feeling more like 4 degrees there in Cincinnati, 5 in Georgetown. A little bit warmer down to the south as well, so that's good news. We're starting to warm up some as the sun comes up. We're not going to warm up all that much. That wind chill value is still going to be pretty chilly throughout the day. Our high temperature is only in the mid-20s there, so we're going to feel that bitter cold down to the bone throughout the entire day today. Now, if we talk about now and later, we're experiencing very frigid temperatures out there today. Going into the middle portion of the week, though, we're going to become more mild. We're going to see some rain chances come into the forecast. And then that's when we see another first alert weather day come into the forecast. So 37 for our Tuesday, 43 by Wednesday, and you can see we'll be in the mid-50s by Thursday. Rain and thunder on the way. I'll track out the exact details coming up in just a few minutes for you. Well, today we're timing out some very frigid temperatures out there for you today. That's what we're dealing with now. If we switch over to later here, we'll be more mild. We'll also see some rain in the forecast as well. But today we're continuing to have a first alert weather day for the next few minutes here until that cold weather advisory is lifted. We have negative wind chill values out there. Here's what it's looking like. It looks like a beautiful day. You can see some snow still on the ground, but it's very cold. 7 degrees is our temperature right now. Feeling more like -6 out there, and that's going to continue to be the trend across the tri-state. You can see a few more double-digit temperatures out there, but most people still in the single digits early this morning here. As we move into the afternoon, it'll start to warm up a little bit more. We're still feeling in the negatives in some places. So Batesville still feeling like -5, -6 there in Connorsville, 0 degrees there in Lebanon and in Middletown, -8 in Wilmington. So definitely still feeling those chilly conditions moving into the afternoon hours. It's still going to be bitterly cold, but we're going to warm up just a little bit into the mid-20s. But we'll have those sub-zero wind chill values throughout the daytime hours. So that's today. Moving into the next few days, you can see we'll slowly tick up back into the mid-50s by the time we reach Wednesday and Thursday there. That's also going to include some rain on the way. So we have another first alert weather day for you, and it's going to be a stormy Thursday forecast. You can see some rain start moving into the forecast here by the afternoon hours on Thursday. Those heavier pockets well off to the west. But then as we move into those dinner time hours, that's when we can see some of those heavier pockets start to move in. Most of that will be out by around 11 o'clock, but you can still see a few lingering showers out there right as we approach midnight going into Friday early morning hours. So again, first alert weather day for our Friday moving forward. And again, this first alert weather day today is going to be dropped off in just a few minutes here. By the time we reach the 11 o'clock, we'll slowly tick up there as we move into the middle portion of the week with some rain chances ahead.